In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete my Facebook dating account. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. You will see the familiar blue and white interface that you use to connect with friends and family. This step is essential because you need to access your Facebook account to manage your dating profile. Make sure you are logged in. If you are not, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you are on the main screen, you will be ready to navigate to the next step. This sets the stage for the actions we will take to delete your dating profile. Next, tap the menu icon, which looks like three horizontal lines or a hamburger icon, usually located at the bottom right of your screen. When you tap it, a side menu will slide out, showing various options such as your profile, groups, and more. This menu is your gateway to different functionalities within Facebook. It is important to find the right section to manage your dating account. Scrolling through this menu will help you become familiar with all the features available to you on Facebook. From there, tap on the dating option. This will take you to your Facebook dating section. If you have not used Facebook dating before, this may be a new screen for you. You will see your dating profile, along with potential matches and other options. This is a critical step because it directs you to the specific area where you can manage your dating profile settings. This can help ensure that you don't accidentally delete something else. Now tap your profile icon. This icon is typically located at the top left corner of the screen and represents your dating profile. When you tap on it, you will be taken to your profile page, where you can view your details, interests, and settings. This step matters because accessing your profile is necessary to make any changes, including deleting it. You will see your profile details, which is a good opportunity to review what you want to remove. Next, tap on Settings. This option is generally located in a menu on your profile page. By selecting Settings, you are opening up a new set of options related to your dating profile. In this area, you can manage various aspects of your profile, including notifications and account settings. This is a vital step because it leads you to the option you need to delete your profile. You will feel a sense of control as you navigate these options. Under Account, tap Delete Profile. This option will indicate that you are about to remove your dating profile permanently. A warning may appear to remind you that this action cannot be undone. This is important because it helps you consider your decision carefully. Once you tap this option, you are just one step away from completing the deletion process. Now, tap Delete Profile again. This confirms your intention to delete your account. You may notice a message confirming this action and its implications. This step is crucial because it finalizes the deletion process. Once you confirm, your profile will be on its way to being permanently removed. You can take a deep breath knowing you are making a decisive move. Finally, confirm your choice. You may be prompted to enter your password again or see a final confirmation message. This ensures that the right person is making this decision. After confirming, your dating profile will be permanently deleted. Remember, your likes, matches, and conversations are removed, but your Facebook account remains active. You will need to wait 7 days before creating a new Facebook dating profile if you choose to return. That's all there is to it. You have successfully deleted your Facebook dating account, giving you a fresh start whenever you are ready.